Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Chris Valenciana out here in Hawaii, doing the London Open analysis for Thursday, April 11th. Took a look here at the morning call on Zero Hedge, and really, as I mentioned yesterday, we had some big news with the Eurozone having their rate announcement and press conference, also the FOMC. The two big things, well, three things that I kind of pulled from, the day's news here were, number one, Euro was definitely bearish. Draghi was bearish, and, they saw risks to the downside moving forward. And they also mentioned that, they're willing to take action if things continue. So, the Euro was pressured originally. It's kind of sitting there now, but, that would be something that I would look at as bearish. The FOMC was really mixed. I would say there was a slight bullish tone to it. Several of the voting members mentioned there could be a small increase this year, but right now they're in wait and see mode. And then the third thing was a Brexit extension was agreed to. So, May's got to obviously deal with the politicians in the UK, but it's definitely bullish for the pound. So looking at the sentiment, I updated already. The Aussie, for me, moved from bullish to neutral. We did have that less dovish deputy governor comments, but right now, today, the market is cautious. It's a cautious market tone. The big two that I updated were the Euro, which is bearish tone from Draghi, and trade concerns with the U.S. as well. So I don't know if you guys caught the tweet, but, Trump's really hammering the Eurozone for their poor trading partnership with the U.S. So that is definitely not good. And I updated the pound, which is, I'm looking at bullish right now, Brexit extension approved. There's really little risk on a no Brexit deal now. So, fundamentally, the pound is actually pretty good. So I'm going to take a look at a chart and let's see what the pound's looking like right now. So you can see right here, let's take a look back. I'm looking at the hour chart here. So I want to see, take a step back and kind of just see what we're looking at here. So right now we're at 86.18. The market moved over the last day or so. Let's see. How far did we move? Yeah, we moved about 60 pips. Right now, if we were to take an entry at the 50 level, we're looking at about a 29 pip profit, or if we kind of go down lower, you can go to the 127 extension, which is about here, or the 161. Possibility on the trade. Let me take a look at the daily chart just to kind of see what we're looking at. It's really just all over the place here. So I would say, just looking at this, it's not really a convincing move on the pound's part. So I'm not going to trade this, even though the fundamentals line up. When you look at the charts, there's, not really a big, resistance area right here. I guess you could say it's about right here. Yeah. So you know what? I might test the waters on this one. Let's give this one a go and see what we come up with. So I'm gonna set a test of the waters here at the 61% fib at 86.27, and let's see here. We're looking at, so I'll probably set a 40 pip stop just to kind of give it some breathing room if it comes up here and tests. That's very important to do, because stop hunters, what they'll do is they'll spike it up here to get the extra liquidity, and then it'll come back down. So we'll put that order in at the 61% extension, or 61% fib retracement. And, I usually go in one position, and if it goes my way, I'll start building my position to capitalize on the movement. So let's give it a go at this. Let's see if it gets up to that 61%, and we'll go from there. All right. So that's all I had, and good luck trading. I'll be in Skype for the next couple hours, so hit me up if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.